Hi, I'm Denise Richards. I have two gifts. Now, which of these gifts would you choose if you had a choice? If you're like most people, you would choose this gift simply because it looks more put together and enticing. Now, like it or not, we are all judged on our packaging, but with a few simple tips and techniques, we can present our best selves by looking our best, building our confidence, and making a good first impression. So, how do we look our best? Well, first of all, maybe determine what the occasion is that you're dressing for. Is it casual, business casual, church dress, formal? If you're unsure, a good tip is to dress up a level. It's always better to show up dressing a little bit nicer. For instance, if you're going to a business casual event, you would rather dress in church clothes than in casual clothes. Now, find out what colors look best on you. To do this, hold up something with a warm undertone and hold up something with a cool undertone and see kind of which one matches your hair, eyes, and skin tone the best. Now, another way to figure it out is what colors do you wear that people compliment you the most on? What do you feel most comfortable in? What brings forth your personality the best? So wearing the right colors is a great way to present your best self. Now, what do your clothes say about you? What are the staples of a wardrobe? Well, first of all, you should make sure that your clothes are properly fitted and tailored to you and your body. You don't want them to be too loose. You don't want them to be too tight. But you want your clothes to be becoming to your body type. And there are some tips and tricks that you can use that will accentuate the positive and take away the negative. For instance, if you'd like to appear taller, wear vertical stripes. It draws the eye upward and makes you look a little bit taller. That's just one of the many tricks that there are in accentuating your body type. You want your clothes to be comfortable. You want them to be clean. You want to feel good in your clothes. I would suggest that you have mostly a wardrobe made up of classic items that you can accessorize with trendy things that reflect your personality and make you feel good. You don't want to wear everything that's trendy all at once because you want people to notice you and not just your clothes. And presenting our best selves, it is a great way to show off our personality with some accessories, but not everything all at once. Now, accessories like jewelry, hats, purses, scarves, and ties are like the cherry on top of an outfit. They really pull it all together and give you that polished look. But your best accessory is confidence, which brings us to point number 2. Presenting our best selves is a confident self. Now, it's impossible to be confident all the time. So sometimes we have to fake it till we make it and just give off an air of confidence because we can become what we think we are, right? So act confident so that you can be confident. Make sure that you practice having good eye contact and a firm handshake. That exudes confidence. Look in the mirror and try and determine what vibe you're giving. What are you saying without saying a word? What do your facial expressions say? What does your posture say? What do your hands say about you? Are you giving off an air of confidence or are you trying to hold back? So try and analyze that by looking in the mirror. Because we want to, point 3, make a good first impression. Everywhere we go, we're making an impression. At work, at church, and especially in interviews, we're trying to give our best impression. When you go to an interview, it's important that you go having showered, shaved, with clean fingernails and teeth brushed because you don't want any of those little details to take away from the whole package that is you. And those kinds of things can be very distracting. You want to have good self-care because you will be the face of whatever company or organization you are representing. So if you have confidence in your clothes, confidence in your body language and the air that you're giving off, then you will be helped in making a very good first impression. Put it all together and you have a polished package. While the Lord looks on the heart, we humans have a tendency to look on the outward vessel. So it's up to us to make sure that that package is as inviting as possible so that we can present our best selves. Thanks so much.